While showing up on camera has many benefits, choosing to make faceless videos is another path to succeed on YouTube, build a passive income, and work on your own terms. A lot of channels are doing it, so can you. In this video, we're going to go through different kinds of YouTube automation categories, hoping you'll find the one that fits your skills and expectations at the same time. So keep watching until the end. We're going to give you a YouTube automation format that no one else is actually talking about, while multiple channels that use this field are making big money from the AdSense program alone. Subscribe right now if you don't want to miss any of our YouTube automation tips and study cases. First, you don't have to choose a single category. Mixing two or more of them would help you keep your viewers engaged, and that's what we do in our channel. Let's start with screen recording. This is a great way to go with YouTube automation. Since YouTube is known as a learning platform, people come here to find out how to create thumbnails, postcards, or videos with Canva. You can also use this method to create advertising content such as gaming recordings. You don't need fancy devices. You can record your screen either with your laptop or with your phone. Option number 2 is to compile stock footage. There are a lot of libraries out there offering great footage for content creators. You can find free images, videos, music, and sound effects, or you can invest in a paid service. The most important thing to know is that you don't actually need money to start. If you pick this method, you'll have to gather footage you picked for your topic, add some text and music, and you're good to go. And of course, you're going to need editing software. In the beginning, we suggest using something simple like InVideo, then upgrading to a more professional one. Don't worry, you're going to learn through the process. The third option you have is what we call text on screen. The words said by the voiceover are transcribed on the screen, which makes the viewers even more engaged with the script. Almost all YouTubers shown on camera use it at some point in their video. That's how effective this technique is to catch people's attention. But if you want to build your whole channel with this method, you can't only count on your copy-paste text ability and patience. In this case, you'd better use a transcriber. There are AI transcribers that work quite well, but they will never equal human skills. That's how you obtain those fancy captions perfectly matching the voiceover. If you like this method and want to know more about it, how to get affordable caption services, or whatever questions you have, put in the comments below and subscribe right now to get further information to start a YouTube automation business the way you want it. Another option you can try is record B-roll. It's when you don't show your face, but certain parts of your body, like your fingers, your hands, or whatever could be useful for your content. In other words, if you want to create a cash cow business, as some gurus call it, you have the possibility to create faceless tutorials. Videos showing people how to paint, how to tie a tie, or how to take care of interior plants. In this category, you also find unboxing channels. While the tech niche is well known for using record B-rolls, there are so many other topics that could be illustrated with this method. Cooking is a great niche you can choose if you like it, and unlike what you may think, this area is not saturated. You only have to come up with an original concept. Option number 5, animations. Yes, these kinds of videos are doing really well on YouTube. Animated characters seem to attract a good audience on the platform. They're used to illustrate scripts in different fields: psychology, digital marketing, real estate, insurance, and much more. But cartoons and avatars are not the only way to proceed in the animation category. You know those videos with a whiteboard drawing approach? You only see a hand on the screen creating text and pictures that match the script. Both of those two subcategories are easy to apply. For example, in cartoon creation, you can use a software program like Doodly. And if you're interested in this kind of YouTube automation channel, let us know in the comments below what issues you are facing. Then you have slide presentations. If you're already doing presentations, let's say in the marketing area, you can use them to create your YouTube automation channel. You have the recording functionality in both Keynote and PowerPoint. Upload your work into your editing software, then add whatever you think would make the video more engaging to your audience. But if you want to create a more attractive video, we suggest Envato. You'll find ready-to-go templates you can customize and make a professional-looking slide presentation. Another kind of YouTube automation channel, the one we announced at the beginning of this video, almost nobody is clearly talking about: quiz. There are plenty of quiz channels out there getting millions of views and thousands of subscribers. Some are focusing on TV shows and movies, others are opting for general knowledge. And those videos are very easy to create. Google is filled with websites offering questions with multiple choices. All you have to do is to transcribe them into text on screen, put some quiz music background, and add a timer. No advanced editing skills are needed. Quiz video creation may be the easiest one among all the options we went through in this video. Thank you for sticking to the end. Let us know in the comments below what kind of YouTube automation category suits you the most, or if you prefer using multiple methods in your videos and channels. If you're not subscribed yet, you should do it right now and get all the information you need for free to succeed with YouTube automation.